Do you know that your Android phone can track you without you knowing? There are some default settings on your phone that has been turned on in order to track, take picture, or even listen to your conversation without you knowing. But panic not, because we are going to dive into the practical aspect and are going to turn them off. But before that, if you are coming across our YouTube channel for the first time, I would like you to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts. Or if there's any other part you want me to discuss about, you are free to do that. My name is Sir Frank Tutor. So let's dive into the practical aspect.
That to so first of all you have to do is to go to your phone setting. Let's go to phone setting. Yes, go to your phone setting. So once you reach your phone setting, you have to scroll down to the down part and look for Google. Yes, tap on Google. So here now, this is our Google. So as it starts, it's how it's going to look. So you click on all services. Yeah, I don't know if I should use the arrow. Click on all services, which is this one. Yeah, click on all services. Once you click on all services, so just scroll down. First of all, the first thing you're going to check on this place is, you check on personalize using shared data. Personalize using shared data. Yeah, that is this one here. That is this one here. Yes, personalize using data. Yeah, this one. So you have to just click on it. Now, once you have already clicked on it, oh sorry, just before, once you click on it, this is how it will look. Like they'll all be turned on. Mhm. So now here it says um, apps personalized using shared data. So now it's showing out maps, Google, external media, and device contact. So for here now, these maps means that they were able to track your movement everywhere, like everywhere you have been to. They will just get to how to off it. Now, Google means that Google will have access to your contacts. Google will have access to everything about you and your Gmail. They'll have everything about your stuff. They can share your information to a third party without you knowing. You stand it. So no need for us to share my information with Gmail. All you have to do is just to click on turn off. Now, external media. So why do I need external media to be sharing my details, my locations? No need. Turn them off. My device contact. So why do I need my phone to share my contact to anybody? No need. So turn it off. Understand me? So once you already turned that off already, you have to do what? Let's go back. You have to click on back, which is here. Yeah, click on back. Let's go back. Now the second step you are going to take after checking that is very simple. You have to click on usage and diagnosis, which is this one, which is this. Hmm? Very simple. Let's click it. So now you are clicking. So it will be on. Like normally it will be on before. This is how it will be. This is how it will be. Understand me? So now let us read what they say. Let us read of the same. Help improve your Android devices experience by automatically sending. So this is how it's going to be. Let us read up. They say help improve your Android device experience by automatically sending diagnosis, devices, app usage data to Google. This will help So you understand? So why would they share my usage? Meaning they will share my contacts, they will share everything, all the app I've been to and so many things. So no need for that. All you have to do is just to turn it off. Hmm? You turn it off, then you go back. Then we are done with the necessary things we need to do. The next thing that we need to do is to click on add. Click on ads, which is this one. Click on ads. So let us click on add and confirm what is going to do that place. Click on ads. Now we are already on ad. Mhm. So, but this is how it will be because I already turned my own off. This is how it will be. This is this feature for app debugging purpose notes. Now may include information so that this is how my own is before. So before then, you have to do is just to come down here, this side, you turn it off, turn it off. Now, if you turn it off, the next thing you have to do is to click on reset advertising ID. Hmm? Click on reset advertising ID. Click on confirm, which is here. Confirm. You see advertising ID here now. You now delete. You delete. I see it. I see it. You delete. Delete. Yeah, you have deleted that already. Now you go back. Now once you are done with your back, let's go back. Sorry. Now let's go. Yes, we are done with this thing. Mhm. Click on services. So that is how it's meant to be. Let's click on location accuracy. Yeah, location accuracy should be off. It should be off all the time. It should be off. I seen it. It should be off all the time because we don't need to be sharing our information. Hmm? Okay, let us read up. They say when location accuracy is turned on, information about wireless signal such as Wi-Fi access point, circular network, better GPS along with devices or data such as they'll just be sharing all these things. So we don't really need all these things. Don't really need all these things. Just go back. So that is just the main thing we just need to do about our phone. But with this thing has advantages and disadvantages. Disadvantages of this thing is that if someone stole your phone, you can't be able to track your phone again. If someone stole your phone, you can't be able to track your phone again. But with this, nobody can able to track you. Nobody can able to track you. So thank you and God bless you.
Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Yes, please like, subscribe, and keep on sharing. Bye.